Hello students! In this video we'll be finding the lateral area, surface area, and volume of this cylinder. This is called a cylinder. Alright, on my formula sheet I've been given all three of these formulas: volume, lateral area, and surface area. The formulas have pi in them, r, which stands for the radius of the cylinder, and h, which stands for the height of the cylinder, which is the distance between the two bases. Let's work through this formula. Lateral area. Two times pi times r times h. If you recognize 2 pi r, that's the circumference formula. We're taking the circumference of this upper circle times the height of the shape. If you were to cut open the cylinder and lay it out, you would have a rectangle connected to two circles. So this is the length of the rectangle times the width of the rectangle. Okay, we are given a diameter value of 8, which means the radius is only 4 centimeters. 2 times pi times a radius of 4 times a height of 12. I'm going to come up with what's called the exact lateral area, and I'm going to do everything except use the pi button. So 2 times 4 times 12, 96. So the exact lateral area is 96 pi centimeters squared. If you're asked for the rounded lateral area, then you just go back into your calculator and multiply that 96 by pi. And the approximated value is 301.593 centimeters squared. We're not told what to round to, so I'll just write it to the third decimal place here. This is the rounded value. Okay, next is the surface area formula. Surface area formula is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. Now, we just discovered what 2 pi rh is. 2 pi rh is the lateral area. 2 pi rh is 96 pi centimeters squared. What we're adding to that is 2 pi r squared. Well, what is pi r squared? That hopefully is familiar to you. Pi r squared is the area formula for a circle. So this says 2 circles plus the lateral area. The 2 circles are the base of the cylinder. 2 times pi times the radius, which is 4, squared, plus 2 times pi times the radius, which is 4, times 12. Again, we already know what this is. This part back here is 96 pi. We found it in the lateral area calculation. I'm going to work on this upper end. 4 squared is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. I don't even need my calculator for that. So I've got 32 pi plus 96 pi. 32 pi plus 96 pi, if I want to keep it in exact value, is 128 pi. 128 pi centimeters squared, because we're working in area. That's our exact value. Again, to turn that into a rounded value, use your calculator and multiply 128 times the value of pi. That's approximately 402.124 centimeters squared. our rounded answer. Our last calculation is for the volume of this cylinder. The volume formula is pi r squared h. Pi times radius squared times height. Pi r squared again, that's the area formula for this upper circle, pi r squared. So we're taking this upper circle's area times the height of the cylinder. Pi times the radius, which is 4, squared, times the height of 12. One more time, I'm going to get the exact value, and then I'll get the rounded value. Exact value calculations do not include the pi button. 4 squared times 12, that's 192. For the exact calculation, that would be 192 pi, and this is now a cubic measure, centimeters cubed. For the rounded answer, I'm going to multiply 192 by pi. 192 pi is equal to an approximate 603.186. Again, that's centimeters cubed because this is a volume measure. Anytime your formula has pi, it's really good to be able to answer in both the exact measurement and the rounded measurement. Thanks for watching this video. Next, we'll be looking at a cone.